So I did my eyebrows off camera, and to start off I'm just going to conceal my dark marks. I have one up here, a couple up here, then I'm going to conceal my panda eyes. And around the mouth area, because I have dark areas like right there. I don't know why. I think I have to drink more water. Then I'm gonna blend it out with a concealer brush in tapping motions. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend all of that out before I apply my foundation. I don't like using an orange color corrector because I find that it leaves an orange cast when you apply foundation over it. I don't like that, so just use a full coverage concealer that is your complexion, but don't OD with the concealer because it will make the makeup very cakey. But I find that using a concealer helps cover those dark marks so those dark marks don't peek through the foundation. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Skin Tint in the shade 11, and then I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match Luminous Foundation in Cool. What's the name of it? Cool Nut Brown. It's in C8 Nut Brown. I'm going to mix these two together on the back of my hand. So yeah, let me take and I just put like a drop of this. I mix these two together because it gives me the perfect color for my complexion, because the L'Oreal foundation is too dark but it's cool, but then this one adds color to it. It gives me that bronzed look. I'm just going to mix those two together with a foundation brush and tapping motions. I'm going to go in a circular motion. See how like perfect that color is? I go lightly with the foundation because lately my skin has been getting way better than what it once was at one point. Don't forget your neck, guys. And I like the dewy look because I have dry skin. So I like to look dewy, not greasy, but dewy all year long. I don't really like matte foundations, to be honest. Now I'm going to take the beauty blender and blend everything out. Now for concealer to highlight under here, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, but yeah, I decided to use this one since I'm running out of the other one. And I'm going to work in sections because this concealer dries really fast. So I'm going to go in sections with a concealer brush and tapping motions. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and buff this all out. And you want to keep the concealer in the center of the face. Don't bring it out here because it defeats the purpose of highlighting and contouring. Because the purpose is to slim down the face. I'm going to take the wedge of the beauty blender and blend this all out. Next, I'm going to contour my face with the Black Opal True Colors foundation. I like my contours to be on the red side because I have cool undertones. I find that when I use concealers or foundations that are on the neutral side for, you know, as a contour, it looks kind of ashy. So I'm just going to be using that. And what I like to do is take the same brush I use for the foundation and use that for the contour because it just gives a more seamless finish. It doesn't look too harsh. It looks crazy right now, but it will come together. I know it looks like a streak right here, but I'm gonna blend all of that out. Gotta keep the nose snatched. And when I contour my nose, I like to follow the natural shape of it. Not trying to assimilate to European beauty standards. I like to keep my nose very natural. Not trying to alter the shape. For my under eye, I like to take a translucent powder and an orange face powder, one with a yellow undertone, and go under my eyes and all the places that we put the concealer, so it won't give off that like ghostly look. I don't like my highlight to be too dramatic because it can look kind of crazy. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder in 800 Cocoa. So this is the finished foundation routine for beginners. Stay tuned for an eyeshadow tutorial I'm gonna film up next. I don't know what it's gonna be called, but I do want to go for a dark eyeshadow look for the holidays and for like New Year's. And with that being said, catch you guys in the next video. Bye!